Okay, with all that said, Rob, let's bring you in now. It's going to be a warm weekend. We make it our first test.
Exactly. On Memorial Day, I'm forecasting triple digits for basically everybody, and we're going to be really close to record. So you got to make the most of your mornings. That's really where the magic conditions happen, where it's very comfortable, and then we start to get into the heat. Hey, I want to give one more shout out to Carl Bjork out in Valley Springs. Up early. Said he's going to put on an extra pot of coffee because he had to get up very early to get this shot of the full lunar eclipse. I appreciate all the photos, and I'm so happy I have an opportunity to share them right here on the big wall behind me. So if you have a burning photo in your phone or on your camera, you can download the ABC 10 app and then upload it right there in the weather section. So again, thanks for all the contributions and for getting up early with us. We appreciate it. Okay, early morning temps in the 50s down low and the 20s up high. This is a pretty big drop in temperatures for the higher elevations. But one of the key things that I keep bringing up is, we already know about the base conditions for fire season. All the vegetation is as dry as it's going to get. So we watch the winds. If the winds are strong and they're offshore or just blowing straight over land, the air dries out very quickly. When it's coming in off the ocean in general, you tend to see higher humidity, and that keeps you away from some of the critical fire conditions. So we always watch the wind this time of year. It's one of the subtle things that changes each and every day, both speed and direction. And if it lines up the wrong way, then you're looking at red flag conditions. So luckily, we won't have that over the next couple of days, even though we are warming up. You can see, again, in general, you could just watch the wind barbs right here coming in off the ocean in general for at least the lower elevations. Okay, high and dry, so we get that. So what's going to change in the next few days? Well, yesterday was a nice 1 day of cooling. Great. We only got one. And now we're going to start to move above average and getting closer to some of these records. I think we're going to hold off from record territory until Monday, Tuesday of next week. We're at least going to be close enough. I don't think we're going to quite get there, but we're going to be close because we're going to be hitting those triple-digit temperatures for most valley spots. So the bottom line is this. We're going to be warmer the rest of this week. It's going to be dry, and then heads up this upcoming weekend. On Saturday, we are looking at those pop-up showers, but only in the mountains. And the reason why I bring that up is, it's Memorial Day weekend. A lot of people are going to take a look at the forecast and start trying to find some cooler temperatures higher up. Just heads up on Saturday. That's when you could be looking at the pop-up showers. Today for the valley spots, getting close to 90 for most spots. There's that one spot right there in the central and northern portions of the Sierra. We could be looking at those showers. But overall, it's going to be a nice weekend ahead. Just watch out for that one rain opportunity. And then starting next week, triple-digit heat for at least 2 days.